Here we go, Will. Here we go. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. You got it. You did, man. Your first shot. But it's all good. So,
Yeah, sorry about that.
no, it's okay. So we got.
Okay, this is my first time shooting ducks. We're going to Sacramento. Yeah, this is my first time, so.
What kind of gun are you going to shoot?
20 gauge.
What number reservation did you draw?
Number 1.
Whew.
Lucky bum.
Are you excited?
My dad, my Uncle Troy, my Uncle Ty.
Your 2 favorite uncles and your dad.
Yes.
Oh no, it's fine. We're already headed.
Hopefully they come in perfect.
What if you miss them?
Do better next time.
That's right.
Tomorrow I drew number 1 and we're going in first. See you in the morning. It's only 3:34. Those guys leading that.
10 is the most excited you've ever been in your life, and number 1 is like, okay. What level excited are you? It's not a joke.
I know that.
We have
because we're going duck hunting and we don't want them to see us.
What about right around your eyes right there?
So we can see.
Oh. Nice shot, Mike. Right here. Left, go. Troy, what was our body count?
So we got 10 ducks and 15 geese, so 25 birds. Great day.
What happened on your very first shot ever?
Killed the green-winged teal.
Thanks for inviting me to your very first hunt. You're the man. Will you invite me again?
Yeah.